Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress block editor. The block editor is a powerful tool that transforms how you create content in WordPress. Instead of one large text area, you build your pages and posts using individual content blocks. Think of it like building with digital Lego. Each block is a distinct piece of content, such as a paragraph, an image, or a heading. This modular system provides incredible flexibility, allowing you to easily arrange and customize your layout with precision. Adding blocks is straightforward. Simply click the plus icon, often found in the top left or within the content area, to open the block library. You'll find dozens of block types, from basic text and image blocks to more advanced elements like columns and buttons. Once added, you can easily manage your blocks. Click and drag them to reorder your content, or use the arrows in the block toolbar to move them up or down. Each block also has its own toolbar for quick actions. Customizing your blocks is where your content truly comes to life. When you select a block, a settings sidebar appears on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find unique options tailored to that specific block. For example, with a paragraph block, you can adjust font size, change text color, or modify alignment. Image blocks offer controls for dimensions, alternative text, and linking. Dive into these settings to fine-tune every detail and achieve your desired look. To boost your efficiency, the block editor offers reusable blocks and block patterns. If you create a block or a group of blocks that you want to use repeatedly, save it as a reusable block. This ensures consistent design elements across your entire site. Block patterns are even more powerful. They are pre-designed layouts composed of multiple blocks. You can insert an entire section, like a contact form or a hero banner, with just one click, saving you significant time and effort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.